So now I'm going to, before I style my hair with that, I do think I have to cut my hair. And not like cut, but just like a really healthy trim, because the way I look at it, we about to do it right now. So my hair shears. I have them linked in my Amazon storefront. I wish I could like really see the back of my hair really well, and it is a risk me doing this, not really knowing what the back of my hair looks like, but whatever. I also only trim my hair or anything when my hair is straightened. I would never do this while my hair is not straightened. So I kind of, let's take this in sections, shall we? Let's get it on camera too, why not? I'm gonna go like this. I'm just afraid if I start up here, I'm gonna cut off a lot of the length in the back, and that's not necessarily the goal, but also the goal isn't to be so worried about the length. So you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section this off front, how I be seeing the ladies on the Instagrams be doing. I'm gonna do this because what I see in the back, like when I go like this, is that there's like a really long section and then like a short section right next to it, and I don't want that, because that just means your hair it's not healthy all the way. You need to like trim it. So what I do is I just like comb it straight down in the back. Okay, so I think I'm seeing where the problem is. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so then what I do, I take the section that's right next to it, comb them down, and then I'm gonna take part of this section. I know y'all would rather see it, but this is the best I can do. I'm gonna take another section along with the section that I've already cut. See, yeah, that needs to go. Okay, I'm gonna take this section, split it in half, take another section that has not been cut yet, comb it. See that? That needs to go. Okay, and then I'm gonna take half of that section and the rest that has not been cut. The goal is to always pull it straight back and down. I'm about to go look in this mirror. Hold on. If I come back crying, it's because I didn't mess up my hair. Way more even. It looks way better. Let me finish the front pieces so you guys can see what I mean. So I'm going to take half of this chunk and a little piece from here. Comb them together. Okay, nothing here really needs to be cut, but I will trim it a bit. And then I'm gonna take just a small portion of that, whatever is left to be cut. Like I said, they're pretty level already, but I'm just gonna snip off some of the ends and I'm gonna go along the perimeter. Okay. So my method is take a piece that's already been cut, and that's even, how I like. Take a chunk of the hair that has not been cut, comb these two together so that I can see what needs to be cut or not. That. And then I'm just gonna take a piece of that section that I just cut and then the rest of the hair. Just even that out. I don't know if y'all could tell before, but like just look at how much cleaner the ends of my hair look. I would much rather my hair look like this than to have it be like way longer and it to be like you don't want that. It looks so much better. And I was not concerned with like, oh my gosh, am I cutting off length or whatever, because you also want your ponytail looking nice and thick. I know you can't really see it, but like you want it thick to the ends.